In this video, we will learn how to copy-paste data from Excel to Power BI web service. Please note that we are using Power BI online service and not the Power BI desktop. Step 1. Go online and open your Power BI website. We will click on the Create a New Report. Step 2. Click on the Paste Data icon. The Power Query window will pop up. This will allow us to type or paste our data. Step 3. Go to the Excel file you want to copy and paste the data, then copy the data from Excel and paste it to the first cell in the Power Query using the Ctrl+V key on your keyboard. Step 4. Click on the Auto Create Report button on Power Query window. Wait until the Power BI loads the data. Click on the Edit button and switch to Edit mode. You have now imported your data from Excel to Power BI and it is ready to use. You can make awesome dashboard using the Power BI online service just like Power BI desktop. On the right you have your fields, visualizations, and filters. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel The BI Nerd and check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.